Hello everyone, myself Kirtan Tipi. I'm studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore, and so I'm here to explain you about the Python programming, which is very important in computer science and engineering topic. So, introduction to computer Python data types. So, Python is which we understanding the fundamental data types in the crucial of writing efficiency and a robot code. It's a Python is something like coding type, a coding, a programming. It's a useful and a very toughest programming. So let's move to the next slide. So here I am in the numerical data types. There are some types of data types, that is integer data type, float data type, and complex numbers. So integer data type, the whole numbers positive, both positive and negative without any decimal point. So integers is nothing but what we study in mathematics at the same as an integer in Python also. So same float number is the in simple terms it's a decimal point. So numbers with decimal point allowing for more perceive representations. So here the decimal float is a word where we define as a decimal point in the simple words. So next, complex numbers with both real and imaginary components, useful for the advanced mathematical and say scientific application. So complex numbers, in the word complex there is the like a word complex. So both real and imaginary number, both numbers are will be present in the number. Moving on to the main type of data Python, that is string data type. So string is a main function string is a main operator where we use in the Python. So represented in the text, and string allows you to work with the manipulate textual data from the character to the entire paragraph. So Python offers a wide range of string functions and methods for methods for tasks like concentration, slicing, and many more like searching. So a string is the function. It's a data type where we use in the coding, and it's a main function. So next, Unicode support. Python string in Python can handle a very vast array of characters, including for those scripts. And that means a Unicode. It's a single code that is called string. A string where we use in the programming type, which makes the program very very which the program will be in complex method. So it turns into a very simple and similar methods of the programming coding. So Boolean data types, true and false value. So in simple words, there are Boolean data types means that true or false values. That's it. Nothing is there in this slide. So logical comparison and conditional execution and Boolean operations. So Boolean operations are used to represent the results of the results of the logical compression, such as equality, inequality, or range or checks. So logical compression, in the word it's a logical. So logical means here the logic works. Okay, so here the logic works, the and the Boolean are used to represent the result. So this it is used to represent the final result, whether the sentence or the program is true or false, whether the program is executes or not. So this is a Boolean is a final result. That's nothing much. And Boolean are essential for the controlling the flow of program, allowing you to make the decision based on the specific conditions. Yeah, I said it before that the Boolean is nothing but the final result we get, and that it controls and will be controlling the flow of the results of the statement, or any other conditions will be mentioned in the program. So moving on to the next, that is Boolean operations. So there are n number of Boolean operations. Like there are not n number. There are only There are only three types of Boolean operations. That is and, or not. You have might been studied in the second PU that and or not of Boolean operations. So similar to like in Python, there's nothing changed. Similar to like what we have studied in C++. So moving on to the sixth slide, list data type ordered collection of items. So creating list operations. So creating list, accessing list, and list operations. So list is also a data type where it's similar to the string. List is a where we list the elements, list the statements. It's called as list. So list is defined as a square bracket and can contain the elements for different data types. So list is determined by the square brackets. So square brackets, and it contains a different elements. Okay. Then this is how creating the list and accessing elements. Each element in the list assigned in the index, allowing you to create the manipulate individual elements. So accessing the elements, the elements which we are accessing in the in the list is we have to access the and we have to proceed that elements. So next list operation, list supports a wide range of operations such as slicing, sorting, appending new element. So list operation, there are so much of list operation, searching, sorting, merging. There are many more. These very few. So next, tuple data type. Tuple is also a very major and it have a wide range in the Python. So it's very important. That is, it's like if you tuple means tuples are the immutable, meaning these elements cannot be modified after creation. Means in list we can modify after creation. In tuple we cannot modify or we cannot create any we cannot create any element after adding the element after adding the tuple. Tuple maintains the order of the element just like list. It's tuple and list, it's both similar but as minor difference in the tuple, so that nothing much, and it's efficient. So dictionary data type, key value pairs. Dictionary stores the data unordered collection of the key values. Okay, nothing much in here. So conclusion and summary. Conclusion: Python's rich and set data type from numbers and strings of to lot, tuples, dictionaries, strings, and many more of the data types of the this Python programming. So I think you have understood that this video. So if you have any doubt, you can approach me. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your attendance. I hope this overview of the Python data type has been helpful to you. Feel free to reach out if you have any further questions or need additional assistance. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.